Okay, we're doing this again. Day 3 on your 10-day turnaround. Systems analysis, okay? You are not overwhelmed. You are undermanaged. Okay? You are undermanaged and you know that. Overwhelm is blame. You know that too. If you've been watching my videos, overwhelm is blame. Oh, I'm overwhelmed. No, you're not. You're undermanaged. Take responsibility. That's how that works. Your chaos is a symptom of disorganization. It's a broken process stemming from avoiding responsibility. Systems analysis asks the hard questions. It means asking, what system do I consistently implement to avoid responsibility? What did I avoid today that's bringing this feeling of overwhelm? What task could I have managed differently to avoid the chaos? That's it. It's all comes back to me. It all comes back to you. So your call to action today is, where in your life do you feel chaotic or misaligned? Where can I put something different? What can I do differently? What system is in place that supports my avoiding responsibility that ensures my chaos? What's something you avoided today? Put it in the comments below and tell me what you did to take responsibility for that situation, to completely manage the situation so the chaos would stop. What did you do? I'll tell you today for myself, I was avoiding fleshing out some administrative duties that I wanted to finish yesterday, but I cut myself off on my computer around 6, sometimes around 5, and I hadn't finished those administrative duties. And I wasn't going to break my cutoff point from yesterday, in order to ensure they were done. This morning I woke up and I did my meditation. I knew I was going to have to get to those duties, but I also knew that they would be there for me. Okay, they're going to be there for me and I'm going to do them. And so I quickly, and it's a beautiful day. I want to be outside, and I'm always outside every day anyway. But I also had tasks outside that I needed to do. So it was a task outside or my administrative duties that took me a little bit longer than I had planned. And so I went outside and did my administrative duties. I did them outside instead. I ended up getting that done quicker, and I was able to finish my other tasks as well. So that avoided the chaos and the feeling of like, oh man, these tasks are impending on me. I want to get them done. This is something that happens to everyone. And as organized as I am, and as much of a plan, I keep my plans and my schedule, my framework is so strong that even when I have a heavy day or more tasks than are maybe available time to complete, I still know that I won't buckle under the pressure. So I know that I have a system in place that facilitates strength with the load. And that's what you want to do. You're building that right now. You are building that framework. This is a 10-day building a framework so that when you do start making those changes, that you can facilitate strength in your structure for moving forward. Okay? Put that in your comments below. Live deliberately. Yep. Namaste.